G'day and welcome to Bikes and Bits 1000. Today we've got a special treat. So today we're going to be changing the exhaust on my 2008 FZ6N Yamaha using a Delkevic system, exhaust system. These are actually made in the UK, but I bought it from a distributor in Queensland, Australia. Turned up really well, a lot quickly. This is one of the end cans. There's two end cans. I've also got the mid pipe. It's still all wrapped up. You'll see that. The brackets, this white tape obviously comes off. You pull that off when you're putting it on just to protect it. The adapter for the exhaust and also mounts to the fender. So pretty happy with this. Just for a reference, this cost me I think it was $570 delivered. So really good pricing. I look forward to seeing how it looks. So let's take it up to the bike and start putting it on. Okay, to install the new exhaust, firstly we've got to take the old one out. So let's just take the bike apart. Everybody loves loves to start it up without the can on. Right, enough of that. Right, now we start with the fitting. Now I've got to put this, I took this piece off just to make it a bit easier to get the exhaust out, and I've got to put it back on. Just leave it a bit loose at the moment, so in case I need to adjust it. And now we use the mounting bracket that was supplied in the kit. Just notice fitting the brackets, you actually have to use their bolts. I think I'm using the right ones. And with the lock nuts, so you don't use the original ones anymore. The instructions aren't the best, I will say. There's a couple of bolts, but I think these are the right size. If not, I'll have to take them back off. Now we've got to put that mid pipe, collector pipe, on. just have a look what we're doing. So just down here. So I'm going to get that lined up there. Get that lined up there. We'll wiggle that on. We'll get it done. Okay, I've got that on now. Now I'm not tightening anything up until it's basically all together. So we'll move on to the end pipes now. Alright, this first one's on. It's a little bit tough actually, so I had to spread these apart as I was putting it on. So something to keep in mind. Now I'll put this on and then I'll put the second one on. So I've ended up tightening up this. It'll make it easier to attach the strap. And also when you do the strap, make sure that it's actually straight. So I've got the logo coming right up. We'll just attach this now. A little tricky to first get on. Alright, now I've got the second can on. I've still got to put the strap on, which we'll do now. So you just got to thread this on too. I didn't show you that before. This sort of threads on over. Take the white cover off. Take the white cover off. It just peels off. And then once you've done this threads over, sort of grips over the sides. Alright, now all the bolts are actually done up, but now I just have to tighten everything up, starting from this end they suggest and then moving backwards. I'll do that now. Right, that pipe's done. Now we'll move up to these two. And now we just got to tighten up the two clamps at the top. Okay, they're attached now. Now to put the bike back together. Alright, bike's all back together. Now let's have a sound test. Thanks very much for joining me on this video when I installed the new exhaust on the FZ6N. If you've got any queries, comments, feel free to put them down. Like, subscribe. You know, always value sort of that to help me along. Anyway, thanks for joining and see you on the next video. Cheers.